Hello friends, today I am making water conservation cards. It is a card game just like Uno, and but the rules are different. I've made these using A4 size sheets, and I've pasted colorful pictures according to the conservation of water fact. This card deck consists of total 21 cards, and each card represents a knowledgeable thing about conserving water, how we should conserve water and have a sustainable future. So after making these cards, I have laminated them as well to give them a perfect look. I've named my cards WC, that stands for water conservation, and the total deck of cards is of 21, and maximum 4 players can play this game. And I hope you liked my video. I have painted the symbol myself and made these cards. Thank you for watching.